Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to walk you through my checklist for upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Let's get started! Also, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and maybe share with a friend. Thank you in advance! Here's my checklist for doing the upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Disclaimer before we start, we are not going to change anything, we're just going to check certain requirements before we're doing the upgrade and also go through a few steps. First things first, as a user and professional, I usually check the requirements before I start any action. In this case, we're going to check the requirements from Microsoft. I will leave the links in the description, so make sure to check them out. Here in this article, we will find a link to the requirements for the devices that are going to do the upgrade from Windows 10 to 11. And here are the minimum system requirements: 1 GHz of speed for the processor, RAM to be 4 GB or more, storage 64 GB, and of course to check the trusted platform model and its version. How do you check your device specification? You open File Explorer, click the right button and then choose Properties. And here you'll have listed the processor, the memory or RAM, system type and other additional specifications. In this case, my processor has higher than 1 GHz, which is good. Also the RAM is 16 GB and the system is 64-bit operating system. And that's great. If you don't feel like checking all this specification by yourself, you can easily just tap the Windows button and type PC Health and open or install the app on your device and click the check now and see for yourself if your device is meeting the requirements for the upgrade. It's that easy. After checking the PC Health, it's time to see if the trusted platform model is enabled and it has version 2.0 or higher. How do we do that? Here is a link with the instructions, which also will be in the description below. You press the Windows key and R in the same time, and the dialog window will open here, and you will copy or type exactly as it says. Click OK or Enter, and then you will get this window where it will show if your version of the model is 2.0 or higher. And that's it. We checked it. It's okay and it's fine. This level of detail is recommended only for professionals, but since we're just checking it, it's okay. The next step is to back up your data, and although Microsoft says that data loss is not likely to happen, I recommend you to back up your most important files and put them on a storage either in the cloud or on a hard drive, just for in case. And before you do the backup, I think it's better to consider also optimizing your storage and getting rid of files, games, programs that you don't use or you haven't used in the past 6 months or a year. One of the ways is to press the Windows key again and type temporary. After some scanning of your device, you will get the estimated amount of temporary files that you can actually delete. Also, after the scanning is done, make sure to check which kind of folders are selected and which one are excluded. And after you are satisfied with the list, you can easily click Remove Files, and Windows will remove all the temporary files that don't need to be on your device. Another thing to make sure that you have is your Microsoft login information and your trusted devices for the two-factor authentication when the upgrade is finally done. Another thing to consider is to have a stable internet connection during the upgrade. Also, make sure to have your device plugged into the electricity during the upgrade. Consider checking your applications that you use daily if they are compatible with Windows 11 before making the upgrade. Also, if you have storage, you can create recovery drive of your files. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video useful, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and even share with a friend. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one. Bye!